Okay. Mano na. Naming mamili. Magpapagas muna. Dahil pupunta pa kaming Target. Yan. Pagas. Meron kaming Starbucks dito. And then, basics, that's the shopping. At auto care, at yun yung aming basic exchange, which is mini mall. Meron din siyang maliit na like food court. May Popeyes, Charlie's, Mexican na what else yun, parang yun lang. At saka Panda Express pala. Kidoba.
Man, it's
cold. Ang lamig ng paglalakad dati papuntang ng Target.
Yes, it is. Depende pa kung gano'ng kalayo ang ating tayo makapag-park. Masaya. Masaya.
Pa Target. Talaga mayroon pang standalone na KG Jewelers pala tayo din yun.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, I know.
I'm guessing K Jewelers is still doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin silang sarili na tindahan.
Ito yung plaza na may Target. Meron ding Hobby Lobby, Office Depot, Shoe Station, Boot Barn, Mattress Firm, and Academy Sports and other restaurants on the sides. We have din dito, Cookie Crumble.
Yeah, Cookie Crumble.
Cookie Crumble, UPS store.
Like really.
And then a Japanese restaurant. Target time. Ito, nakaswerte kami ng malapit na park. Target. Lamig.
We just need a basket, right?
Yes. Ang mga batang lamig na lamig, tatakbo na.
Hindi ka na dito.
Okay. Yes, a Target. Yep, dito kami sa Target. Ang dami pang Valentine's now. Kami Starbucks. See, look at this. Emotionally unavailable. That's cute. Look, Daddy. This is different for Valentine. Emotionally unavailable and dump him. That's cool. Meron kaming ulta sa loob.
Look for my dog is my child.
Oh, I want this. My dog is my child. Then, we have Ulta. May Ulta sa loob ng Target talaga. So, kaya masarap din. Kaya paborito kong pumunta ng Target. And then, eto, maraming Then, we have the Starbucks there. Na Starbucks. Kaya, Target is my happy place. May Ulta, tapos nandito na lahat. Lahat ng propaganda nandito. Revolve and glow. Rosy. $7. This is what I need. And they have mga Korean. The Korean brand. See? Ito yung mga ano eh, mga viral. To buy online, meron na sila dito. Oh, all the K-beauty. Oh, I'll just get something. Mga garapon.
That
It's
one, yeah.
$27.99 here.
Uh-huh.
Sa BX is $19.99.
Oh, so malaking mura.
Malaking mura. Huwag ka sa mura lagi. Oh, it's just like this na ano. Parang ganito. 20. Mahal dito. Oh, this is the one na binili. Ay, hindi pa rin.
Sa bagay.
This one.
It's just stuff all the way.
See, like, ano lang to, 99 cents lang. Stick one. See, itong pagkakaiba niyan, pangalan. Bird's Eye is what? $2? $3? Ay, this one. Wala. $1.99 and this is 99 cents.
Oh wow, yeah.
$1 cheaper.
Another cheaper. Same thing.
It's only $2.69. So kumuha kami ng maraming quinoa. Ayan ang quinoa na. Ito yung aming $2.69. See? Kakatibig ka dyan sa quinoa. And where's the chicken soup? The chicken broth. Sa kabila. Ito. Pala. Vegetable broth, chicken broth. See, chicken broth here is $1.59. Reduced sodium. Swanson is $3.89.
Yeah. Or meron $2.59.
$2.59. So let's check the difference. 10 calories, 27% on sodium. This one, 10 calories, and what's the sodium? 27%.
It's the same.
See, it's the same. Walang nawala sa'yo. So kaya eto talaga ang aming binibili. Pero ang totoo, this is my favorite part. Hearth and Hand. With Magnolia. Kasi ang ganda ng gamit. Anong bago? Meron na tayo nito.
Yeah.
Village.
Ano, they got anything new?
Star Point, meron na tayo.
Yeah.
Meron na. Sa Disney Store, we have Miss Rachel. Matutuwa ang mga bata talaga dito. Sa Target. Signature collection. Oh, matutuwa ang mga pamangkin ko dito. Disney Princess.
Nintendo. $4.99.
Starting your party playlist.
Yeah, it's a nice little stool.
Yeah, you can put that.
We got a matching stools, yeah.
Yeah,
Then this
sa
one over
bathroom.
here.
Pwede mo siya ilagay doon
Yeah.
sa, sa katabi ng tub.
How much is it? Like
75.
75 for one?
Yung sa bangkito.
Wow.
Bangkito mo taas.
Ito ang mga tools o mga ano yung sa sasakyan kung kinakailangan nyo. Hindi napakarami, just yung mga essentials. Ulta. Sa mga gusto magpaganda. Or
Yun na si Kuya. Lily! Lily! Wow. Lily! 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 Pauwi na sa bahay.